Wait, so what we're doing is finding the area of a segment, and kind of how I like to think about it, if you have, oops, I need a pen, like a piece of pizza, the segment is like the crust of the pizza. That's my artist drawing. So what we're finding today is just the crust. And in order to do that, what we're gonna do, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Is find the area of a sector. Okay, now that's the whole pizza slice. And then we're gonna subtract out a triangle, which is like where your cheese and pepperonis go, your sauce. Okay, so we're gonna find area of sector, area of a triangle, and then subtract the two. What are you doing?
I didn't like that pencil.
Okay, I would like sit down and take notes here. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is find the area of a sector. To do that, we have our formula x over 360 times pi r squared. In this case, what's my x, my angle measure? Take your answer. How many degrees is my sector? 60. Because right now we're finding this whole thing. So we have 60 over 360 times pi times, what's my radius? 18 and squared. Okay. Now this says round your answer to the nearest tenth. So we want to multiply it all out, divide it, including the pi. It doesn't say leave in terms of pi. We want to do it all together. So what I would do is I would take 60 times pi times 18 squared and then divide by 360.
Isn't that what we always do?
Yeah.
Sometimes we don't have times by pi.
Right.
And then to one spot, what do you get?
169.6.
Yep, good. 169.6. Okay, questions on how we got that? Or we go okay? Okay. Now we're gonna find the area of our triangle, which again has the formula half times base times height. Here is our triangle. I'm gonna draw it bigger for you. We know this is 60, we know this is 18. So what's the base of my triangle? 18. Do I know the height?
No, not yet.
No, we can find it though, right?
Yeah.
Height, again, makes a right angle. Oh, great. So to find the height of this triangle, I need to figure out this chunk, which is how much?
90.
This?
Oh,
9.
9.
Yep. And then I think somebody said we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So to find the height, what would my height be?
Well, that would be
9 what?
square root
Of?
3.
Good. So our height of this triangle is 9 square root of 3. So base of the whole thing, 18. To find your height, we used our special right triangles, 169 degrees. Okay, you're gonna multiply this all together. Like if I were to, I'm putting in 0.5 times 18 times 9 times square root of 3. You got what?
6,560.
No.
I did that.
6,000?
I did that.
Hundred and 40.3.
Yeah, 140.3.
How did you get 1,000?
Like 6,000. So we said to find just this little crust part, what am I doing with these two numbers?
Adding.
Subtracting.
Subtracting. Pizza minus where the sauce goes. 169.6 minus 140.3 should give us 29.3. And how do I label this?
Inches squared.
Good, 'cause it's area. Good,
Mathematical genius.
that's right. Okay. Questions on that one?
So. Oh, never mind, I know.
Sure.
Yeah, you have to figure out crust part and then you have to figure out
So you figure out the whole slice, take out where the sauce and cheese go, and you're left with the crust. I love pizza. It's like my favorite. Okay. Same thing here. To find a sector, we have that formula, x over 360 times pi r squared. What is my angle measure?
90.
90. So we're finding this whole area. So we're taking 90 over 360 times pi times, what's our r?
4.
A word. And square. Again, since we aren't just dealing with circles, we have triangles a little bit. We're just gonna put it all in our calculator. 90 times pi times 4 squared, and then divide that by 360.
.6.
12.6.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we're gonna find our triangle, which is half base height. Here's my triangle. I know we have the half. What's the base of my triangle?
4.
4. What's the height of my triangle?
Don't know yet.
Good. Jasmine said it's 4.
Oh.
PQ is a radius, right?
Uh-huh.
What's RQ?
The same.
It's the same, it's also a radius, yeah. Remember, your base and height make a right angle, so since this is a right angle, your base and height
The same.
are your two sides. In this case, they're both your radius, so they're the same. So then the area of my triangle is how much? 8. And then this last thing, what do we do with these two numbers?
Subtract.
Subtract it, that's gonna give us this piece that we're looking for.
4.6.
How do I label?
Inches. No, meter squared.
There we go.
Don't forget the label, kids.
Don't forget the label, kids. That's right, Malachi. Okay. Questions?